Hi, this is Bill from HowToVanish.com. I'm often asked the question whether it's legal to barter with gold or silver coins. There's been a lot of confusion after what I call the Liberty Dollar trial, the prosecution of Bernard von Nothaus, for his use of Liberty Dollars. There were misstatements made by the prosecutor about the law in that area, as well as misstatements about what the trial was actually about. Although the prosecutor made it seem like the trial was about the illegality of using coins of original design, the trial was really about the coins resembling actual US coins. And for that reason, people thought or were tricked into thinking that the Liberty Dollar coins were actual US coins. That's what the trial was really about. That's what the jury verdict read. But the prosecutor made those misstatements about what the trial was and about the law as well. It's perfectly legal for people to use and trade things in barter. They can trade sacks of potatoes or chickens or anything else that's legal. There's no prohibition against using gold or silver coins. In fact, people buy and trade gold and silver coins every day. There's millions of people that probably do that. The problem is if you're using gold or silver coins that look like official US coins. If people are going to barter with gold or silver coins, they should use coins that have no markings or no symbols, no pictures or words that make them seem like they're official US coins. Things like the dollar sign or a picture of the Statue of Liberty or some other national symbol like an eagle. Those kinds of symbols make the coins potentially look like official US coins. That doesn't necessarily mean they're illegal, it just means that it might be a question for a jury to decide, and an overzealous prosecutor is going to bring a case against you. Now, even though there's a very remote chance of prosecution under a very obscure section of law for using coins of original design, that section of law is probably unconstitutional, and it's really unlikely that any kind of conviction like that would be upheld. So it's perfectly legal to barter with gold or silver or copper coins or sacks of potatoes or chickens or whatever you want.
This is Bill from HowToVanish.com. Use your powers for good.